Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this class, I am going to explain important bits. Volume of two sphere are in the ratio given. Means volume of sphere V1 by V2, that is how much? 64 by 27. It is given. Now we already know volume of sphere formula. What is that? Look at V1 by V2, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is volume of sphere. మనకు తెలుసు వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్ ఫార్ములా అండ్ 4/3 పై ఆర్ క్యూబ్. హియర్ r1 r2 you take. What is that is equal to how much? It is equal to 64 by 27. Now from here get this 4/3 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, r1 what is remains? R1 cube by r2 cube, that is equal to, we can write this one 4/3 here we can write this one 4/3 whole cube. Okay, means this one also we can write r1 by r2 whole cube. Finally r1 is 4, r2 is 3. So now what is given? Find the ratio of surface area. What is the formula for surface area? Surface area formula for sphere. Here surface area for sphere formula, that is 4 pi r square. For both ratio you take r1 4 pi r2 square. Now if you do here, now look at this 4 is get cancelled, pi is cancelled. What is left over here? r1 square by r2 square. We already know r1 by r2, we can write this one whole square. By this, from this we can write r1 by r2 how much? 4/3. If you do this one square, what you will get? Square means 16/9. So our ratio r1 by ratio, what is the ratio? That is surface area ratio is a1 is to a1 is to a2 is equal to 16:9. So that is our D option. Okay, now look at second question. Look at second question. Curved surface area of circular cone is given. Height how much for cone? Curved surface area of cone. What is the formula? That is curved surface area of right circular cone. What is the formula? Pi r l. Okay, from this height is given. Height how much? Height is equal to 15 centimeter. And base diameter is given. What is the diameter? That is 16 centimeter. Now look at, when we are solving, look at the diagram how we are going to do curved surface area. This is our diagram. Okay, now look at, this is the height, this one is height h, this is sliding height. Okay, from here to here it is r. Now look at, what is first given? Height is given, diameter. From diameter means we can find here radius r is equal to d by 2, that is 16 centimeter by 2, that is 8 centimeter. R is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, r is equal to 8 centimeter. First to find this sliding height, because our cross section area is curved surface area is pi r l. So for that we required l. So we are finding l. L is equal to h square plus r square. under root. Okay, how much you're getting? H square is 15. 15 square plus 8 square. How much you're getting? 15 square means 225. 225 plus 64 under root is there. Okay, how much you're getting? 280 under root 289. If you take here 289, that is the 17 centimeter. So square root 17 is 289. So from this we can do that total surface area pi RL. Okay, now look at, is what asking curved surface area. We already got L. Substitute here. Pi RL means 22 by 7 into R, how much? R is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter into L is 17 centimeter. If you multiply, how much you will get to? That is 136 pi. Okay, here pi you take, don't keep here. In the options pi is given, so you take that, better to take that values. Better to take pi value 17. Okay, pi into R, how much? 8 into 17. If you multiply, 7 8 is 56, 6 5 carry over, 7 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 136 pi. That is our answer. Is there an answer? Yes, second option. Okay, look at third problem. What is the third problem? Is asking third one, total surface area of hemisphere. As we know, total surface area of sphere, what is that? Sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, it is total surface area of sphere. If asking hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. Okay, volume of sphere means volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now volume of cone, what is that? Pi r l. Volume of cone. First volume means we have to multiply area into height. Area is nothing but here for cone. First base is circular na. What is the circular area formula? Pi r square. Pi r square into height. Okay, volume of cone means we have to take 1/3. Okay, that is 1 by 3 pi r. Look at 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is the volume of sphere. What is the question? Total surface area of hemisphere. He is asking hemisphere na. That is the 3 pi r square. Okay, so that is the B option. Now take here fourth question. Once if you observe here, fourth one, what is given? A cone, a cylinder and a hemisphere have equal base radii, equal height also equal. The ratio of their volume means, take volume of cone ratio volume of cylinder and volume of hemisphere. Okay, you take volume of hemisphere V here. Okay, volume of hemisphere means, look at volume of cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now next, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. What is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, here equal radii, height also equal. Hemisphere means, look at it, if hemisphere means it is a shape here of, here if you observe, अगर इधर थोड़ा भी ऑब्जर्व किए ना, here center point, from center point to here corner, it is a radii, it is radii na, from here to here it is also radii. So r is equal here, h is also equal. If you take here h is r also is equal to h, no, so you can take here r square and h. So this will also get cancelled. Now look at this pi, this pi get cancelled. Here r square, here r square, here what is left over r square. This all three are cancel, r square also. Now what is left over here? For hemisphere, what is the formula? Once check the here hemisphere formula, we have to take 2/3. So look at what is the left over here, 1 by 3 is to, here is only 1, again is to, here 2/3. Okay, now it is coming in this format now, so we make it simple. Multiply all values, denominator is 3 now, multiply with all values 3, you will get the answer. When you are multiplying this with 3, you will get this 3 cancel, left over is 1. If you multiply this with 3, you will get 3. If you multiply this 3, you will get 2. So what is the final ratio? 1:3:2. Is there answer? 1:3:2. So that is our answer. Now which of the following volume of cylinder? Now look at just which of the following is volume of cylinder? Cylinder means what is the shape? Here wait. Here just wait. Now look at volume of cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder, that is volume is nothing but whenever we are finding volume, area, base area into height. For area, for cylinder, what is the here? For cylinder, base is a circular shape only here bottom, so area of circle, so that is area of circle is pi r square into height, so that is pi r square h. Understand? So simple. What is, look at, check once, pi r square h, so that is the b answer, b1. Okay, understand? That is a b1. Okay, do like, share and subscribe for more content. Okay, thank you for watching.